Warmth in a cup. Cozy Christmas. Hot drinks to sip by the fire. As winter's chill settles in, there's nothing quite like wrapping your hands around a steaming mug filled with comforting Christmas hot drinks. Whether you're nestled by the fireplace or gathered with loved ones for a festive evening, these cozy concoctions are designed to infuse warmth into your holiday celebrations. Let's go through the realm of soul-soothing beverages that promise to bring joy and comfort to your winter nights. Classic hot chocolate. Begin your exploration with the classic, a cup of rich and velvety hot chocolate. Elevate the experience with whipped cream, a sprinkle of cocoa, or even a few marshmallows for that extra touch of indulgence. Consider experimenting with variations like dark chocolate or peppermint-infused cocoa for a festive twist. Mulled wine. Iti. Embrace the aromas of the season with a steaming mug of mulled wine. Red wine simmered with spices like cinnamon, cloves, and orange zest creates a sensory experience that captures the essence of Christmas. It's a drink that not only warms your body but also fills the air with delightful scents. Spiked eggnog. No list of Christmas hot drinks is complete without the rich and creamy delight of spiked eggnog. Blend eggs, milk, sugar, and a hint of nutmeg to create this traditional favorite. For an adult twist, add a splash of your favorite spirit, rum, bourbon, or brandy, turning this classic into a festive adult indulgence. Peppermint mocha. Combining the seasonal flavors of peppermint and chocolate, the peppermint mocha is a delightful fusion of cool and warm. Espresso, steamed milk, chocolate syrup, and a hint of peppermint extract come together for a cozy beverage that feels like a festive hug in a cup. Hot apple cider. Allow the comforting scent of simmering apples to fill your home with a mug of hot apple cider. Infuse it with spices like cinnamon and cloves for an extra layer of warmth. If you're feeling adventurous, consider adding a splash of caramel or a cinnamon stick for a delightful touch. Cinnamon-spiced hot toddy. Wrap yourself in the comforting embrace of a cinnamon-spiced hot toddy. This timeless concoction combines warm water, honey, a splash of lemon juice, and a cinnamon stick. Add a generous pour of your favorite whiskey for an extra layer of warmth. Sip this soothing elixir slowly and feel the stress of the season melt away. Gingerbread latte. Capture the essence of freshly baked gingerbread in a mug with a gingerbread latte. Brew a robust cup of coffee or espresso and infuse it with the warm, comforting flavors of ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Top it off with steamed milk and a dollop of whipped cream, creating a nostalgic blend that transports you to holiday seasons past. Warm vanilla chai. Let the exotic aromas of chai spices fill your home with a cup of warm vanilla chai. Steep black tea in a mixture of milk and warming spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Enhance the experience with a touch of vanilla extract and sweeten to taste. This aromatic beverage is a soothing escape into a world of fragrant spices and vanilla sweetness. As the winter winds howl outside, these cozy Christmas hot drinks beckon you to slow down, savor the moment, and revel in the festive spirit. Whether you're creating a new holiday tradition or adding a twist to a classic favorite, these warm elixirs are sure to bring joy and comfort to your heart.